Bullish Ariva cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0 2030. Market experts accept ARV could reach $0 2025. Bearish Ariva market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Ariva presentation. The computerization of numerous areas in the worldwide market has developed quickly over the course of the years as the industrialization of, in a real sense, each part of human existence became ordinary, like food administration, transportation, business, and the travel industry. This progress has helped the general improvement of significant pieces of the market and the ceaseless coordination of the customary monetary market with the computerized resources industry. Tokenization of these modern cycles has turned into a vital component in empowering the development of the area in computerized reason, correspondences, and so on. One of these tokens is the Ariva coin. Ariva is viewed as a cordiality token for vacationers, intended to make a broad informal community of elements inside the area like inns or Airbnb, cafes, and touring, giving a consistent encounter to the typical market client. In this video, we assess Ariva cost expectations from 2022 to 2030 with the guide of verifiable information and high-level specialized examination devices like activity RSI, opposition level, missed support levels, nonpartisan extreme oscillator, and different variables. What will be ARV least cost esteem, the typical exchanging cost, and greatest cost esteem in the following several months, and does it make a productive venture? For what reason would it be a good idea for you to purchase Ariva in spite of the cost changes in the cryptographic money showcase? When contrasted with the general crypto market feeling, the ARV market cap is by all accounts doing very much contrasted with the other advanced monetary forms. So what are the Ariva cost forecasts? What is Ariva? Ariva is a BEP20 token sent off on the Binance Chain organization by Ariva Co. that objectives the travel industry and cordiality area while pursuing the worldwide reception of the advanced government capital. ARV has become one well-known token from the principal quarter of 2022 regardless of the vacillations in the crypto market. It has worked for the movement organizations, and worldwide the travel industry specialist co-ops repeated on clients' past encounters and input. A voyager can make appointments with the digital currency while getting compensated for dropping criticism and sharing savvy content. Ariva is supporting the escalated joining of digital forms of money into the day-to-day existence of a regular person while offering the shoppers a breathtaking encounter and quick installment network with their cryptographic money. As indicated by the ARV network engineer, the traveler business faces significant difficulties, similar to the need to convey cash and the misfortunes caused due to trade rates. Ariva will dispose of these difficulties and make voyaging simple and useful. The organization's fundamental point is to facilitate the expense of executing a high measure of cash while keeping up with the undeniable level security that the blockchain gives. They offer an answer for an exorbitant issue in the worldwide friendliness economy, which likewise incorporates the steady trade of nearby monetary standards before a client is taken care of. Ariva major examination. Starting from the formation of the social money Ariva coin, the web-based entertainment presence has been amazing, a result of its inventive help and ideas with the dynamic local area of in excess of 200,000 holders. As of late, ARV was recorded on significant trades, including L-Bank, SushiSwap, DSDAC, Whitebit, 1inch Organization, XT.com, Hotbit, PancakeSwap, Asbit, Dodo BSC, and Probit worldwide. They have facilitated numerous occasions that title the development and joining of blockchain innovation into the business and have since cooperated with critical organizations in the area. Ariva has collaborated with the Worldwide the Travel Industry Gathering and World the Travel Industry Discussion Establishment, two organizations that were made to universally empower the travel industry, social exercises. Tokenomics. Ariva's white paper isn't very much nitty-gritty about the deflationary strategies and consuming methods that are applied to the ARV coin. Ariva has a greatest all-out supply of 93.64 billion tokens, which was recently fixed at 100 billion tokens. After the authority send-off of the coin, around 63% was offered to general society, while the leftover sum was apportioned for stockpiling in view of trade liquidity and improvement endeavors on the organization. Nonetheless, ARV consumes a piece of their symbolic conveyance of 6.63 billion toward the finish of each and every year, prompting an underlying cost ascend before a half-cost drop. The resource is exceptionally unstable yet has areas of strength for an outline. Ariva is at present worth $0. ARV has moved 4.06% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,495,772. Ariva is at present position 794 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $7,107,112 USD. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Ariva market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Ariva Value Forecast 2022. Ariva, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The ARV cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. ARV is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Ariva Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Ariva ARV cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of a RV will before long outperform $0. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the ARV's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ARV will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Ariva Value Expectation 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0. ARV might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ARV is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2024. Ariva Value Expectation 2025. Assuming that Ariva effectively helps market feeling among digital currency aficionados, the ARV coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ARV will be green in 2025. The ARV is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. Ariva Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the ARV cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2026, with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Moreover, ARV has a most extreme value worth of $0. Ariva Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. In the event that ARV figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $0. Neglecting to accumulate the help ARV needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $0. Ariva Value Expectation 2028. While ARV is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2028. Ariva Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Ariva will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. Ariva Value Expectation 2030. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many